quadra. So quadra is for AND gate, OR gate, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. And for NOT gate only it is a hexa gates, because inside that we have 6. Right? And another hexa is, another one is there, this one, which is present in your lab if the particular lab is going to conduct it physically. These are some of the ICs we have discussed, and I think you know how a breadboard look like. Okay, and this is the, let me just minimize the view. Yes. In the left hand side, these are the alternate gates. Means this is the basic gate we particularly draw for AND gate, and this one figure we can draw for a AND gate also, but this is another representations. Now, why we require this alternate gates? In some situation, assume type of input we are getting, that is in this way. Bubble means a NOT representation. So this is equivalent to this particular picture. How you can draw? If in the left hand side, the original representation, if bubbling is not present, bubble means not representation, inverse is not present, then in the alternate gate design, you have to put a bubble. Got it? AND gate's opposite is OR gate. Okay, OR gate opposite is AND gate. Similar wise, exclusive OR, XOR gate's opposite is XNOR gate. XNOR gate's opposite is XOR gate. This is you have to remember when you are designing. And if in the left hand side, the original representation, if there is no bubble in the input part, this is the input line, then you have to put bubble. Okay, bubbling means negation, negative, okay, inverse. So this is the alternate gates. So in the last class, ma'am has discussed all those things. So I'm going to skip this part and coming to today's topic, that is a half adder. Okay. So what is half adder? Now, I think I have shared the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So what is half adder? It is a combinational circuit. If you define the official definition, if you say, so it is a combinational circuit designed to add 2 single bit numbers. Now, it is a combination. Now, what is a combinational circuit? So, combinational circuit means the particular circuit is independent of time. Okay, let me write. What is combinational circuit? So this is, first of all, the particular circuit is independent of time. Independent of time, and the particular circuit does not depends upon previous input, always depends upon present input. Okay, depends on present input. So these are the 2 important points you have to remember for combinational circuit. Now over here we are learning the digital electronics. So in digital system, 2 types of circuits are there, basic 2 types of circuit. One is a combinational logic circuit, another one is a sequential logic circuit. So according to digital system, one is this one, combinational circuit, and second one is sequential logic circuit. Sequential logic circuit and combinational logic circuit. Now, what is sequential logic circuit? The particular circuit depends on clock. So this is dependent on time. dependent on time. And second point is it depends on present as well as past input. So let me copy. So this particular thing depends on present as well as past input. Okay. So whenever we have a past input means we are using some memories. Now, if you ask about the real life example of a sequential circuit, we see the timer, stopwatch or timer, okay, or counter, whatever the term you use. So in the timer or counter, assume at this moment my time is 5. Why it is 5? Because in the past the time is 4 and every second I am adding +1 +1. So it is depending upon present as well as it is depending upon past, right? So you can say ki a stopwatch, a timer, a clock is a sequential circuit. It depends upon present as well as past input. Also, it is depending upon the time, or we can say clock cycle. On time. Okay. Okay, so this is the very basic. In depth, Aisha ma'am is going to taught you in the theory class. Okay, so now moving forward for today's topic, that is half adder. So half adder, again I am going back to the formal definition. It is a combinational circuit and we design for adding 2 single bit numbers. So 2 single bit numbers means assume my 2 input is A and my second input is B. So either the variable A or input line contains 0 or 1. Same for B, input line 0 or 1 it contains. So I can't give 2-bit input. For half adder I can give either 0 or 1 for a single input line, and also for second input line I can give at a time only 1 bit. Single bit I can give. Got it? Achha. Yes. For the half adder, it is designed to add 2 single bit numbers. We write now 5 plus 6. So 2 variable are there, A plus B equal to, if in the exam it is given ki A plus B, what is the answer? Value of A is 5, value of B is 6. So you are going to write equal to 11. Right. The same way for a half adder, 2 input line will be there and in the each input line I can give only 1 bit. So I'm going back to the very basic example 5 plus 6. I can't give input to variable A as 10 and input variable B as 12. Why? Because assume 10 is a 2-bit number representation, 12 is also 2-bit number representation. So I can't give in that manner. In half adder, I can give a single bit, a single digit I can give. No double digit. No, I can't give 0, 1, 1, 1, 00. I can't give in that manner. I can give either 0 or 1. For B also 0 or 1. And we are going, the particular half adder or the circuit is going to produce 2 output lines. One is a sum, another one is a carry. Okay. So this is the truth. Actually, this is the basic block diagram of a half adder. Okay. And in today's assignment, we are going to design the particular circuit which is present inside this box. You can say it is hidden in this particular block diagram. So whatever the circuit is present inside this particular block, we are going to design. So before designing the circuit, in every logic circuit, there is a problem statement. So what is the today's problem statement? Today's problem statement is we have to add 2 single bit numbers. So 2 input lines are there, 2 single bit numbers. So for A, we can have 0 or we can have 1 bit. Okay, we can't have 00 or 01 or 10. So for this thing, 0 or 1. Now, if two input lines are there, how many combinations we can create? The combination is 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power n. N is the number of input lines. Over here in this design, we have 2 input lines. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 4 rows are present in my truth table. Okay. Now, in which what is the combination? This can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, so these are the combinations. It can happen if I'm having 2 input lines in my circuit. Now coming to the output part, the sum part. I think you all know the binary addition thing, है ना? We all know. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those who don't know, I know you all know, but still I'm writing. So binary addition, assume I'm taking a value. Okay, so assume these are the 2 input lines, but over here this is not a single bit, this is 3-bit numbers. Okay, I am showing you only the binary addition. 0, 1, if we add, so in normal arithmetic maths, we know कि 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 in normal arithmetic. So 2 means in a shortcut method we can say the binary conversion, the binary value of 2 is 1, 0. So first bit is 0, means my sum is 0 and I am generating a carry. My carry is 1. Now if some other bits present over here, then we are going to add over there. Over here no bit is present, so I am going to write in this. So this is my carry bit, my sum bit. Okay. So same thing over here also we are going to represent. So 0, 0, the sum is 0. We have a carry, there is no carry. Again 0, 1, we are adding, the sum is 1. There is no carry generation. The input 1, 0, the sum is 1. Again there is no carry generated. 1, 1, it means 2. So 2 if you represent, it is 1, 0. So the first LSB part, least significant bit part is 0 and the most significant bit part is 1. So we are generating a 1. So if I'm having some more bits over here,
PU, very sorry to interrupt. Just एक second. Any stream 4 student over here? Shomo is here.
Yes.
Shomo is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Apart from Shomo, anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Amir Faizan. And Shilbhadra is also here.
He's in group 2.
Okay, great. अरे actually ये list हम शागुर्ता को mail करेंगे ना इसलिए ठीक है
Oh, अच्छा. नहीं ठीक है. It's okay. Okay. So this is the truth table. Half adder. Got it? Now coming to the logical expressions. So Aisha ma'am has already taught you the K-map, how to use K-map for writing expression from a truth table. Or this is a very two variable out input. So no need to use a K-map. If you want, you can use, it's okay, but we can directly write the logical expression over here. Okay, so logical expression for some output bit is how to write. Now over here we are going to consider SOP form. Okay, you can consider POS, but it's always easy to use SOP for representation purpose. That's why we are going to use SOP, sum of product form. So first, according to sum of product form, we are going to consider those rows where my output is high. So over here, we are going to have 2 rows where our output is high. These 2 rows are there. So what is the expression for these two rows? Can you tell me?
A complement B, B
A
complement
complement B plus B complement A.
Complement B plus B complement A. Now, in the last class, Aisha ma'am has told you about all the logical gates and the truth table. Can you tell me this particular expression comes under which gate, which logical gate, truth table? Yes. So whenever if two variables are there and in first term one is complemented and in another term another one is not complemented. So in this type of situation it's A bar B plus A B bar, this type of situation where we are going to write A XOR B. Let me draw. Okay. So this is the XOR symbol. So this is the logical carry bit. Now coming to the logical expression of carry bit. Now again same thing where my output line is high, we are going to consider those rows. Over here only one output line is high, so we are going to consider this particular, the last line. So what will be the expression?
AB.
AB.
Yes, it's AB. A dot B or AB. So over here, whenever you are going to design a circuit for half adder, so it will be sum is A XOR B and carry is a AB. So let's in the next line we are going to design. Let me draw this variable A. This is variable B. One is A XOR B. You can represent in this equation also, but it's better to always use less logic gates and implement our circuit. So this is our sum bit, and for the carry it is AB So this is the diagram or logical pin diagram or circuit diagram for half adder, sum and carry. So you can draw this particular circuit inside this particular block. Okay. Now coming to the simulator part. So in the simulator, what you have to do, I'm going to provide you the link where you're going to get this particular simulator. So inside this simulator, this is our, so in the breadboard, assume you are doing the diagram. In the physical lab, you will get a breadboard and you're going to get two IC. One is a XOR gate IC, another one is a AND gate IC. And hope you remember all those IC names. Okay, for XOR it is 7486, for AND gate 7408, for what is the IC for OR gate? Can you tell me?
From 7432.
7432.
Yes, 7432. So 7400 is for NAND, 7402 is for NOR, and for NOT gate, what is the IC? Someone is writing.
7404.
Yes, it's 7404. Okay. So these are some of the IC numbers you have to remember. Now, whenever you are going to implement a half adder in the breadboard, so I hope you know how a breadboard is going to look like. small holes are there. You will search, you will get it. Okay, how a breadboard is going to look like. So inside the breadboard, you have two ICs are there, and this pin number 1 and 2 is the input pin, 4, 5 is input pin. Over here 9, 10, 13 is the input pin. Similarly, output in pin is 3, 6, 8 and 11. Now in this particular single IC, you will see one point is VCC. Now what is the VCC?
The supply voltage.
Supply voltage. And another one, we have used in 7th number pin, ground. Now why we required a ground?
Ma'am, for the earthing
To
purpose.
protect the appliance from high voltage.
এক মিনিট কি বললে দুজন বললে I can't hear.
Ma'am, earthing purpose.
For earthing purpose. Another answer? একজন কি বলছিল?
Appliance from high voltage current.
For the earth. আচ্ছা, Ahana was saying about the earthing. What do you mean the earthing?
যেটা হাই ভোল্টেজ হয় সেটা গ্রাউন্ডে পাস থ্রু করে যায় যাতে অ্যাপ্লায়েন্সটা নষ্ট না হয়ে যায়।
Yes, একদম। And yes, কে বললো আর একটা আনসার? অনুভব না অনুরাগ কে বললো একজন মনে হয়?
Ma'am, Anubhav.
Yes, Anubhav. Yes, very good. So we use ground, or we need ground in logic gates to discharge the voltage goes to ground. Why we? Because whenever the current or voltage is passing through, some additional, or you can say stray voltage or aimless voltage is moving in our circuit. Aimless voltage we have to discard. So with the help of this ground pin, it is going to remove. Else we are going to get shock. Achha. Now coming to the circuit again. So in this circuit, you will see two LEDs are there. Okay. So represent ki if my particular circuit is okay, if I'm giving proper input, the particular sum output is going to glow. The particular light is going to glow. If my, according to truth table, if my sum is 1, the light of a LED light of some point is is going to glow. If in the output line, if carry is 1, then this carry LED light is going to glow. Okay. Now before this LED lights, resistance is there, right? So why we have used this resistance? Can you tell me? Why we are using this resistance over here? In normally figure, we don't use resistance, but in originally, if you physically you are creating this circuit in the breadboard, you will going to use a resistance before this
protect the
LED
LED.
light. Yes, to protect the LED. And what is the use of resistance? To control the flow of current. And resistance is used to control the flow of current. Because formula for resistance is inverse of current. It is going to control the flow. Else, if you are not going to use this resistance, this particular light is going to burn. It is going to damage. That's why we are using. Now coming to the circuit. Now first of all, initially we have to put the power on. We have to give the voltage. 5 volt we have to give. Now my two ICs I have given you the voltage. Now coming to the inputs. Now first input is both are 0, 0. A and B value is 0, 0. So if A and B is 0, my sum and carry is also 0 and 0. That's why it is not glowing. We have given the power supply, else it is not glowing. So I'm going to add in my truth table. Okay. Now second, if my input A is 1, input B is 0, check this sum value is glowing. Carry is 0. Sum is 1, carry is 0. So I'm going to add this particular line in the table. Got it? Now my B is 1. I'm putting off the variable A. Then also my sum is 1, carry is 0. In the same way, if I'm going to give input to 1, 1 in both the input lines, then my carry is 1 and sum is 0. So this is a basic truth table of a half adder. Okay. So this is simulated 1. I'm going to give you the link. For the simulated 2, this is for you people. Whether you know the particular truth table or not, you can check over here. So over here, you can give your input. Over here, you can give your output and you can check whether you are correct or not. So assume I'm giving it as 1, 1. 1, 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. So sum is 0. Now I'm going to check whether I am correct or not. Yes, I am correct. Now assume I don't know and I'm giving a wrong reply over here, wrong output. And I'm going to check. So it is going to present a incorrect. So simulated 2 is for you people for checking purpose. Here, what will be the input? And similarly, what will be the output? And over here, the circuit, you will see in this inside this particular block, this is our half adder circuit. So this is the simulation part. Okay. So is there any doubt in half adder? Half adder is very simple, basic one. Is there any doubt? So you have to, Aisha, what was the assignment of half adder? They have to draw using NAND gate.
Half adder, they have to draw the half adder using NAND gate.
Okay, students, so you have to draw the block diagram, truth table, the pin diagram or the circuit diagram. Okay, and over there you have to use the universal gate, NAND gate, for representing a half adder. Okay, is the assignment correct, Aisha? इतना ही था ना? ठीक है. Okay, so now the next part, half subtractor, is going to be taught by Aisha ma'am.
Thank you, Piyu. The board is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Half subtractor should be a piece of cake for everyone. You all have advanced to the level of K maths. All of you are familiar with binary subtraction. We have done binary subtraction of around 5, 6, 7 bits. And half subtractor is just a binary subtraction using 2 bits. Now, whenever for assignment purposes, whenever we give you any assignment, be it half adder, be it half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor, certain things you have to keep in mind is that it's going to follow a particular pattern. For example, first is block diagram. Block diagram में you just show the number of inputs और कितना उससे output निकल रहा है, बीच में block रहेगा. That block is like a black box. उसके अंदर क्या circuitry होगा, that we will see moving forward. Next is your truth table. Third is from the truth table, we are going to derive the logical expression. Now you can derive the logical expression either by using the Boolean laws or K-maps. That is completely your call. अगर दो वेरिएबल का है, why go for K-maps? वो तो truth table देखते itself you can derive the logical expression. Fourth is your from the logical expression which you just derived. Seeing that you have to draw the circuit diagram. And last में is the simulation which has already been explained to you right now by PU ma'am. जो simulation में जैसा वो बताएंगे exact same होगा for half subtractor. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's start with the half subtractor. Again, I'm saying it is extremely simple. This is the block diagram for half subtractor. It follows almost the same logic as a half adder, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Difference and borrow. Alright, half subtractor goes by the definition of taking 2 inputs. So 2 inputs means we will have 4 possible set of combinations, 2 variables, which means possible set of combination of outputs. Now already in your in your exam which was held yesterday, we had given any kind of binary subtraction. Did we give? Did we give
Yes,
binary
ma'am, one was there.
then you all know everything. This is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Tell me what will this what will difference be? What will borrow be? Tell me the truth table.
From 0 0,
For 0 1.
it will be 1 and borrow 1.
Not you, Ahuna, not you, not Aptara. No. No Anubhav, no Deborgo, no Debanjana. No, please. I don't want the regular face ka answers. Someone else, please.
Ma'am,
This
one.
is extreme.
Ma'am,
Who wants to answer this?
Shomo.
Chomo. Okay. 0 1 is 1 1. Why is 0 1 1 1? Because 0 minus 1 we cannot write. There's no
Yes,
scope of negative integers. So we take a borrow. The moment you take a borrow, immediately the borrow bit becomes high. And 1 0 translates to decimal of 2. 2 minus 1 is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
1 0 is
1. Zero.
borrow is
0 0
1 1.
0 0.
Very simple. Very simple. Now seeing this, do we have to construct a case? Now we have to derive, since we have two set of outputs, one is difference and one is borrow. For each of them, we need to respectively write the logical expressions. Tell me, to write the logical expression, do we need to draw a K-map, or can you just see the truth table and you can tell what what will the logical expression be? Do we need to draw a K-map for this?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So for difference, what will be the expression be?
For D, it is A bar B plus AB bar.
Which is equal to
A's or B.
A's or B. Don't even go here. Who told A bar B plus AB bar? Who told this A bar B plus AB bar? It's not wrong, it's correct. I'm just asking who said. Debanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
Debanjana, you will not even go like that only. Why? Because difference you can see. XOR gate is what? It is an odd one detector gate. It has been said before. XOR gate is a odd one detector gate. In any time, in any set of input, if you have odd number of ones present, that means their XOR gate will be used. So here you can see difference is high for these two set of inputs. For this set of input, there is an odd number of one. For this set of output, there is single one. Again, for this single one. So what of is following a XOR gate? So simply A or B. Anyone can understand how we got A or B? Anyone wants me to tell again? All right. Repeat. Okay. XOR gate का ट्रुथ टेबल क्या है? XOR gate का ट्रुथ टेबल क्या है? 0 0 में क्या आता है? 0 1 में? हाँ? 1 0 में? 1 1 में? हाँ, तो सेम होगा तो 0, डिफरेंट होगा 1, ऐसे मत याद रखना. वो था जब तुम लोग को पता नहीं था XOR गेट होता क्या है. अब क्योंकि तुम लोग डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सीख रहे हो तो सेम और डिफरेंट मत ऐसे याद रखना. याद कैसे रखना? कभी भी किसी भी इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन में अगर नंबर ऑफ 1 उस इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन में ऑड है, यहाँ पे कितना 1 है? इस इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन में 1 1 है तो इसलिए हाई था. यहाँ पे भी 1 1 है इसलिए हाई था. यहाँ पे 2 1 है तो लो हो गया. तो इसको छोड़ दीजिए, इसको तो लो ही रहेगा ये. तो जब भी हम लोग का किसी भी इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन में 1 ऑड नंबर में मिलेगा तो हम लोग का आउटपुट हाई अगर होगा तो उसको XOR गेट बोलते हैं. सेम देखो यहाँ पे 0 1 में 1 1 0 में 1 डिफरेंस में वही फॉलो हो रहा है हम लोग का. तो डिफरेंस में A और B होगा. एंड व्हाट विल बी B? B इज हाई फॉर विच सेट ऑफ इनपुट्स? B0 इज इक्वल टू
A complement B.
A complement B. वेरी सिंपल. A की के लिए हाई है और इसके लिए हाई के लिए A for B being high over here, borrow being high over here, A is 0, which is A complement, and B is 1, so B, A complement B. So for two set of this thing, there's no need to draw a K-map and waste your time. Just see the truth table, we can get the logical expression. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को logical expression मिल गया. Circuit diagram और भी easy है. We have A and B. A bar हो रहा है. So we will take another input. We will do a NOT of A. So this becomes A bar. First difference is A XOR B. A and B XOR gate. This difference is A XOR B. And borrow is A bar B. We will take A bar set of line of input and B. This becomes this together come in an AND gate. So borrow out is your A bar B. Who didn't understand? So block diagram, truth table, logical expression, circuit diagram. This is not going to be followed just for your half subtractor or half adder. आगे जाके next class में when you all do full adder, full subtractor, I will follow the exact same sequence. How many of you didn't understand this? Anyone? See, I have two inputs, right? So A and B. तो तुम पहले logical expression देखना और देखना किसी भी इनपुट में नॉट गेट लग रहा है कि नहीं. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे इट इज एन ए बार बी. ए बार माने ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो जो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे होगा? ए में अगर नॉट गेट लगा देंगे तो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज ए एंड आई पुट अ स्मॉल नॉट गेट एंड दिस लाइन इज योर ए नॉट, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो डिफरेंस के लिए ए XOR B. सो आई हैव टेकन from the A line of input I have taken my one wire, from the B line of input I have taken another wire और दोनों हम XOR gate में feed कर दिए. XOR gate का IC chip क्या था?
86.
The IC chip number should be on the tip of your tongue. There is no scope of forgetting or shuffling through the pages to see क्या था IC chip number. 7486. तो यहाँ पे XOR गेट में लगा दी. एक पिन, एक वायर आया A XOR से, एक A से आया, एक B से आया, A XOR B. B बोरो आउट का लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? A कॉम्प्लीमेंट B. So we have already taken our input which is A complement. A में नॉट गेट लगा दिए तो A complement. नॉट गेट का चिप नंबर क्या है? IC पिन नंबर क्या है? 7404. A complement. C we have taken one wire and B C we have taken another wire. दोनों के बीच में क्या है? AND gate. AND gate का पिन नंबर क्या है?
08.
दोनों को AND gate में लगा दिए हैं and we got the output of A bar B. और उन समझ में आया? Very simple. Very 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 simple. Anyone who is unable to maybe who has certain doubts, please.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ask Pavana.
Ma'am, why is it named half adder and half subtractor? Ma'am, why is it half?
Because we are dealing with just 2 bits of input. Single bit input is used over here. When we go to full adder and full subtractor, then we will use 3 set of input. That is a complete structure actually. Here you can say not why here is a wrong question. I mean, obviously there must be some use of half adder and half subtractor. There must be some kind of real life application. But as far as I am concerned, what I think is that since we are using just 2 set of inputs, 2 single bit set of inputs to deal with the entire structure, that is why it is half subtractor. We will use when we are dealing with a proper 3 set of inputs, where there will also be another bit known as a borrow bit, be a carry bit. Just hold on a moment. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry. So that is why I think it is a half adder, because it is not yet complete. You can see why. Another reason is that later when you will go forward, when we will learn full adder and full subtractor, you can see how with 2 half subtractors we can create 1 full subtractor. or how with two half adders we can create one full adder. I think this is the answer, but I'm again not very sure. So if anyone has a different answer, why is it called half subtractor or half adder? Or if PU ma'am could help me out, because this is I'm not very sure. I think this is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else with a different answer, or PU, are you there? Okay, I don't think she's there currently. But if I find a different
Yes. The answer is yours are correct. Okay.
Okay.
It is going to add only 2 bits. It is not going to add a carry, and for subtract it's not going to do any borrow thing. That's why it's a half. Doing a half job. It's a full job. Addition matlab कि we are doing carry and all those. But we are not using the carry information. लेकिन हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Half.
जब फुल एडर फुल सबट्रैक्टर बताएंगे तो वी विल शो यू कि हम लोग कैरी इनपुट जो यहाँ पे छोड़ दे रहे हैं वो कैसे इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे जो बोरो बिट जो आधा अधूरा छोड़ दे रहे हैं, बोरो बिट भी हम लोग इनपुट में कैसे ले रहे हैं, तब जाके वो पूरा एक सेटअप कंप्लीट हुआ.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. ma'am.
Anyone else with a different question, different doubt? No? Alright. So, do you all want me to show the simulation of half subtractor? Or half adder has already been shown to you, so I was hoping maybe I could give that as an assignment. But since this is the first class, do you all want me to show the simulation? It's completely your call. I will show it to you, but if you are comfortable, I will leave it up to you all to do it. Anyone wants me to show, or you all are comfortable with the simulation procedure?
Ma'am, it's okay. We can do it.
Yeah, because it follows. पहले supply को on करो, A और B दोनों off रहेगा. Then you will check the two LED bulbs, 0 glow करेगा, और truth table में add को print करने से you will get the proper value. You will have to keep on checking for all set of inputs. और कब difference glow कर रहा है, और कब borrow glow कर रहा है, कब नहीं glow कर रहा है, and so forth. And simulator 2 is just for your checking purpose कि तुम लोग को समझ में कितना आया है. It's for testing your knowledge. तो असाइनमेंट में तुम लोग को जो पूरा जो प्रोसेस लिखे थे, ब्लॉक डायग्राम, ट्रुथ टेबल, लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन और सर्किट डायग्राम, ये सब लिखना है. और सिम्युलेटर 1 का हाफ एडर और हाफ सबट्रैक्टर के लिए 4 सेट ऑफ जो इनपुट ही है, चारों सेट ऑफ इनपुट्स में बल्ब कैसे ग्लो कर रहा है, नहीं ग्लो कर रहा है, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अपलोड करना है. सिम्युलेटर 2 का स्क्रीनशॉट अपलोड करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Oyun, you were asking something. Okay. So, simulator 2 का अपलोड नहीं करना है, सिर्फ simulator 1 का अपलोड करना है. Any further questions, doubts? Want to ask anything? Me.
Ma'am, can you please provide us with the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have posted in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Aisha, another thing, बाकी ग्रुप क्या नैंड गेट से किए हैं ना वो लोग?
एक्चुअली ये वाला ग्रुप का तो A2 तो तुम्हारा ये लेंगे ना, पापी दी और ईशा दी लोग का तो कल है नहीं, कल तो छुट्टी हो गया, तो एक बार ना हमको बोल देना पड़ेगा ये बात.
ठीक है. नहीं কি করে ছুটি
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, ওদেরকে নেবে আলাদা করে, ওদের আগের দিনের ক্লাসটা হয়নি তাই.
আগের দিনে ক্লাস তো হয়েছে, ইন্ট্রোডাকশন অফ গেটস.
ম্যাম কিন্তু গ্রুপ 2 বলছে ওদের কালকে ক্লাস আছে এনআরডিজির ল্যাব.
ও ওকে.
पता नहीं वो लोग क्या लेंगे.
ম্যাম ডে 1 এ কোনো অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়েছিলেন কি?
হ্যাঁ
ডে 1 এ কোনো অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়েছিলেন?
হ্যাঁ
ম্যাম
দিয়েছিলাম ম্যাম.
আচ্ছা
ओ ये सोमो बोल रहा है.
ওটা কি করে সাবমিট করব ওটাই?
सोमो what we can do is हम लोग ना मूवी का टाइम फिर एक्सटेंड कर देंगे सोमो और आमिर के लिए, तुम लोग अपलोड कर.
वही.
ঠিক আছে
ম্যাম অ্যাডার
और
এন্ড
assignment का-
সাবট্রাক্টর
बोलो.
both we have to do with the NAND gate, the circuit diagram.
ये एडेड सब्ट्रैक्टर नैंड गेट का जो दिए है ना, ये तुम्हारा क्या कहेंगे उसको, एक एडिशनल समझो, मतलब सिम्युलेटर में तुम्हारा नैंड गेट से है नहीं। आफ्टर डूइंग जो तुम लोग को अभी बताए हैं, उसके बाद दिस इज लाइक सब पार्ट ऑफ असाइनमेंट 1A वाज व्हाट हैज बीन टोल्ड फर्स्ट, 1B इज कंस्ट्रक्टिव, उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिखाना है, डायग्राम कि हाफ एडर को, हाँ बस उसका ट्रुथ टेबल मत निकालना और उसका लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन मत निकालना।
हम समझे नहीं।
क्यों?
देखो पहले तुम लोग ब्लॉक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे, जो आज हम लोग पढ़ा है वही सेम ब्लॉक डायग्राम, ट्रुथ टेबल और जो सर्किट बना, ठीक है। इसके बाद एड ऑन करोगे कि इम्प्लीमेंटिंग हाफ एडर यूजिंग नैंड गेट, इम्प्लीमेंटिंग हाफ सबट्रैक्टर यूजिंग नैंड বা নর जो भी गेट।
ম্যাম মানে শুধু ড্রয়িংটা করতে হবে তাই তো ওটা?
हाँ
শুধু ডায়াগ্রাম ড্রটা করবে, জাস্ট
সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রামটা আঁকতে হবে এই
হ্যাঁ শুধু সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রামটা শুধু, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বুঝেছি।
उसको
তাহলে পরে হচ্ছে एक काम कर सकते हैं, हाफ एडर को नॉर से कर दो और हाफ सबट्रैक्टर को नैंड से कर दो, तो फिर दोनों ही हो जाएगा,
दोनों हो जाएगा।
ठीक है।
हाँ वो ये एडिशनल एक बोनस तुम लोग को दिए हैं, बिकॉज तुम लोग का छुट्टी है ना 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा, इसलिए थोड़ा सा दिए एक्स्ट्रा काम। उसको उसका ट्रुथ टेबल लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन करने का जरूरत नहीं है, नैंड एंड नॉट जस्ट डायग्राम, बस
जस्ट डायग्राम।
ম্যাম বোনাস টাইমটা একটু বাড়িয়ে দিন, আর কিছু লাগবে না।
ना बाबा बोनस टाइम का बढ़ाबो ना, टाइम का बढ़िए, जहाँ बोनस सुनेंगे हर चीज में इनको ज्यादा चाहिए।
ओके तो फिर और कुछ बचा है?
हाँ आई थिंक देन हो गया है। शागुर्दा है क्या? उनको भेजे लिस्ट, वो अटेंडेंस एक बार ले लेते अगर।
मैम एक बार फिर से असाइनमेंट बता दीजिए ना।
ये हर क्लास में एक ऐसा बच्चा होगा, पिछली क्लास में उत्तरक था, पूरा लैब खत्म हो गया, पूछा असाइनमेंट क्या, यहाँ पे से अनुराग है, पूरा खत्म हो गया कहानी, फिर पूछते मैम किस असाइनमेंट बता।
मैम कंफ्यूजन है मैम, फर्स्ट पहले जो
क्या
आपको
कंफ्यूजन हुआ?
मैम जोर को यूज करके बनाना है और उसके बाद नैंड और नॉर को भी यूज करना है।
আরে বাবা দাঁড়াও 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 এক মিনিট, আমি একটুখানি প্রেজেন্ট করি।
सिर्फ ये जो लैब है ना, दिस लैब का मजा इज डूइंग फिजिकली, बहुत मजा आता है।
अच्छा ये ब्लॉक डायग्राम यू हैव टू डू दिस ट्रुथ टेबल ड्रॉ करोगे, एक्सप्रेशन लिखोगे, ये जो डायग्राम है ये वाला सर्किट डायग्राम यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस वन फॉर हाफ एडर। उसके बाद यू विल राइट की इम्प्लीमेंटिंग हाफ एडर यूजिंग नैंड गेट, तो एक्सॉर गेट में जाना, अच्छा हाँ सॉरी हाफ एडर को नॉर से, तो एक्सॉर गेट के वहां पे नॉर किस वे से तुमको नॉर गेट से रिप्रेजेंट करना है इस एक्सॉर को, और किस वे से नॉर गेट मतलब एंड गेट को रिप्रेजेंट करना है यूजिंग नॉर। डायग्राम बन रहा है, ये जो सर्किट डायग्राम है ये 2 बन रहा है, एक जो ओरिजिनल वाला एक्सप्रेशन से और एक यूजिंग नॉर अगर हाफ एडर है तो। हाफ सबट्रैक्टर के लिए भी वही ब्लॉक डायग्राम, ट्रुथ टेबल, बेसिक वाला सर्किट डायग्राम और यूजिंग नैंड कैसे तुमको वो सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है। समझ में आया? टोटल 4 सर्किट डायग्राम, 2 ब्लॉक डायग्राम, 2 ट्रुथ टेबल
और सिमुलेशन का स्क्रीनशॉट।
हाँ यस वो तो एड ऑन है ही, सिमुलेशन का स्क्रीनशॉट।
हम सिमुलेशन वाला दूसरा फाइल
क्या फिर से बोलो। Oh, now you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, simulation one, can we do it in a separate file? Or we have to compress all the things in a single file?
Completely your call.
Okay.
Completely your call.
Okay.
अरे तुम लोग एक ही में कर दो ना, मर्ज करके। You want to scan this one, merge those files, तो एक ही में अपलोड कर दो, तो हम लोग को चेक करने में थोड़ा इजी होगा। One file we're going to scroll and we're going to get all those things.
Okay, ma'am.
ना যেগুলো হচ্ছে ট্রুথ টেবল वो तो हाथ से लिखोगे, ये सर्किट डायग्राम हाँ बस जो स्क्रीनशॉट है वो वाला तुमको, मतलब वो तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके तुम वर्ड में पेस्ट करो।
मैम ड्रॉ हाथ में करके उसका पीक लगा के बाकी सब वर्ड में कर देना।
सब ट्रूथ टेबल
सब
जिसमें 4 लाइन और टोटल हेडिंग 1 है, 5 लाइन। एक ब्लॉक डायग्राम जो एक बॉक्स बनाओगे 4 ऐसे लाइन खींचोगे, तो इसमें भी तुमको वर्ड फाइल चाहिए।
कुछ वर्ड में नहीं करना है, सब वर्ड काम आएगा सिर्फ स्क्रीनशॉट को पेस्ट करने के लिए, वर्ड या पीडीएफ। बाकी पूरा असाइनमेंट पेन लेना, पेपर लेना, लिखना हाथ से, उसके बाद उसका फोटो खींच के स्कैन करके अपलोड करना। कुछ वर्ड में नहीं होगा, वर्ड में सिर्फ तुम लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लोगे सिमुलेशन का स्क्रीनशॉट पेस्ट करने के लिए बस वर्ड लोगे या पीडीएफ लोगे। बाकी सब हैंड रिटन है A to Z, वर्ड फर्ड कुछ नहीं है। नहीं समझ में आया?
हाँ मैम आया।
है मैम।
हाँ मैम आया। हाँ मैम।
4:30 बजे तक सबका असाइनमेंट आ जाएगा। गूगल खोल के सब टाइप करेंगे, हाफ एडर यूजिंग नॉट गेट, मैम हो गया बस।
नहीं मैम मैं कह रहा था कि मतलब जो ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा वो हाथ से करके वहाँ पे चिपका देंगे ना।
हाथ से करके
हाँ,
चिपकाओगे क्यों अविक? हाथ से करके फोटो खींच के हाथ से करके स्कैन करके अपलोड कर दोगे। हाथ से खींचोगे, स्क्रीनशॉट लोगे, चिपकाओगे, हाथ से लिखना, कैम स्कैनर ऑन करना, पीडीएफ बना के अपलोड कर देना, खत्म।
সাগরদা আছো কি? তাহলে রেকর্ডিংটা অফ করে দাও।
ঠিক আছে করে দিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিয়ে নাও, হয়ে গেছে ক্লাস।
और किसी का तो कोई डाउट्स नहीं है ना?
नो मैम।
সাগরদা তোমাকে A1 লিস্ট পাঠিয়েছি।
ওটা পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে, যেটা ওটাতেই অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নিয়ে নেবো।
है मतलब आपको जो सही लगे उसमें लेना तो आप उसी में ले लीजिए, आज का डेट देके ऊपर में।
ঠিক আছে, আমি এখান থেকে ওদের স্ক্রিনশটটা নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, যারা এসছে ওটা থেকে আমি ওখানে তুলে দিচ্ছি তাহলে।
अच्छा ठीक है, नीचे में जो 2 स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर हम नहीं लिखे ना, वो स्ट्रीम चेंज है, सोमो और आमिर। उनका एक्चुअली हमको अभी तक खुद ही नहीं पता है, तो लिखे नहीं है।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
তো আজকে রেকর্ডিং আর আগের দিনের রেকর্ডিংটা ওদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে দিয়ে দিও। আয়শা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে
उनका रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाया था क्योंकि शाकुरदा के घर में लोड शेडिंग था और मेरे पास ओनरशिप था नहीं।
नहीं पहले 15 मिनट नहीं हुआ, फिर तो हुआ।
हुआ क्या?
हाँ पहले 15 मिनट नहीं, फिर करंट आ जाने के बाद मैंने पावर आ जाने के बाद मैंने कर दिया।
अच्छा ठीक है,
तो
तब
बस
शाकुरदा आप पिछले दिन का और आज का रिकॉर्डिंग ना जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उस पर शेयर कर दीजिएगा।
ठीक है ओके। मैं 2 चीज देख रहा हूँ, अगर वो हो जाता है, मतलब शेयर अगर हो जाता है तो अच्छा है, फोल्डर पूरा सबके लिए, नहीं तो मैं वो फाइल ही, वीडियो फाइल ही व्हाट्सएप पे दे देता हूँ।
हाँ शेयर हो जाएगा वो, बस
না ভিডিও ফাইল দিও না, তুমি শুধু লিংকটা শেয়ার করে দাও।
আমি ফোল্ডারটাই সবার জন্য ওপেন করে আমি ওখানটায় দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে
তুমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নিয়ে এবার। হ্যাঁ
तुम उस ग्रुप में ना शाकुरदा का नंबर भेज दो, वो लोग शायद शाकुरदा एडिट नहीं है।
ठीक है
अगर किसी को कुछ पूछना नहीं है तो डिसॉल्व कर दे मीटिंग। शाकुरदा को बोले वो स्क्रीनशॉट से अटेंडेंस उठा लेंगे।
हाँ ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स वी आर लीविंग। ओके बाय बाय।
थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू ऑल कैन।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।